Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to collage on Android. So go for your gallery, then select pictures from here, 2 or 3, whatever you want, and go for edit option on your mobile, maybe. So I'm go for creativity. Then you can see there is a collage option. Tap on it, and now you can collage with any of it. You can see, can collage from here or here also. In this layout, you can collage with any type of design, and after that you can just tap on save. Now you can see it's now collaged. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can collage a picture or collage pictures on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.